Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the easiest, the most simple swing trading strategy you guys can use to start making money. Whether you're a beginner or maybe you're already a more experienced trader, just trying to make it in the world of trading, we're going to be talking about the approach and setups that I look for after 7 years. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies. It's how to set up those scanners, how to find those undervalued stocks. Where do you buy? Where do you sell? All that stuff is very, very important. So check it out down below. We got our massive holiday sale going on right now. You guys can get 51% off by using code Black Friday. That code's only going to be valid for, a couple of more weeks here. So check it out before that code expires, and let's jump into this here. So swing trading, what is it, right? I think before we talk about setups and stuff like that, we need to understand what is swing trading. So swing trading in simple terms is where you buy a stock, because I swing trade stocks. You can swing trade Forex, crypto, whatever it is, but for me, stocks is my bread and butter. Now, swing trading is where you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day and less than 1 year. When you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day, that's a day trade. It's a different setup, strategy, and mindset and approach. When you hold a position for over a year, that's a long-term investment, right? You're holding it through several earnings reports. For me, right now, I hold my positions on average for about 6 to 9 days. I almost said months. So you guys can get a general understanding right there of kind of what swing trading is. We're taking short-term price action, with the market. So let's look at some of the stocks here that we're holding, looking at why we bought them, and so how you guys can start making money off trading those stocks. All right, let's jump into this here. So, all right, so the first thing I kind of want to show you guys here is the stocks here that we are holding. So we took a nice trade here on ticker symbol TXN. So TXN here was a stock that was trading near and around that 200-day moving average line. So as a swing trader, you really need to kind of start using indicators to your advantage, right? There's some traders out there that don't, but you might as well, right? For me, I love about 3 or 4. I love the 200-day moving average line, which is the red one. We have the 90-day moving average line, and then we have the yellow, which is the 50. We also have this pretty much this green squiggly line right here, which represents the RSI, which stands for the relative strength index. Now, this here, at the time it was trading for a 36 on the RSI. The last time it was trading for a 36 was back in here where we had this good move. Previous to that was in here where we had this good move. So now looking at it, you can kind of get a general understanding. Okay, it has heavy support on this red line, which is the 200-day moving average line. Sold off and hit it, right? So now here, you never want to just look at one time frame. We took the trade here on this time frame on the hourly. Now, the approach that I had behind this was kind of looking at something like this here. So you guys can kind of see just this general downward trend on the hourly time frame, right? It hits this point of contact several times. So it sold off, hit it, and this is kind of where we took the trade. My thought process was this: if we could enter on this trend line, which is exactly what we did, for a possible push, if we can set our stops just below it a little bit, for a possible push back up to target, and then we could get a possible breakout, even going higher. The risk and reward is really good, right? You're risking $1 to make $4.57, which is always really good. So, now here the upside is so high because we've already gotten some buying pressure out of this thing, where I wouldn't be surprised if it does come in contact with like that $200 mark, which is an excellent risk and reward. So normally, yes, you could wait for that breakout, but my thought process was, okay, I can get in with a small position down here. If it pushes above this trend line, we'll just add more. And if it dips down below, this 90-day or even the 50-day moving average line, we can still make some profit off this trade. So that's the thought process I had. I'm very excited for this one and what the future holds. All right, another stock here that we recently took a position on this morning here actually was ticker symbol THC, right? Going to the daily, what do we notice? We notice it has that good trend line. It's sold off down to that 200-day moving average line. And the 200-day moving average line does have those tendencies of getting buying pressure there. Also, the RSI was trading for about a 31, which let's go ahead and draw that horizontal line so we can see where it was trading for. You guys can see the last time it was trading for a 31 was back in here where we had, this good move. Previous to that, let's see, it was back in here. So this sell-off represents a good opportunity here. So now here looking at it, you guys can see it hit it here and we had that move going up today. So we took a nice small trade looking at the hourly. Where's the resistance? The resistance is pretty much the 90 and 50-day moving average lines. You guys can see kind of where it hits them several times, right? Establishing that resistance. So we got in on that breakout near and around that 141 mark, and the stock has squeezed up a little bit. And since it's over that 200-day moving average line, this is a very, very bullish thing for the stock. So I'm very excited for what the future holds for these positions. And, this is the thing about swing trading, right? Is using basic indicators that you understand. A lot of people think that in order to make it in the world of trading, you have to have, a million charts, million scanners, a million different types of things like that. When in reality, you don't. You can easily make it with scanners actually and indicators that you understand. It's not about these massive screens and all that stuff. It's just being consistent and knowing what you're doing. And guys, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. And the broker I am using, because a lot of people always ask, is MOOMOO. I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stock by signing up with them. So click that link, sign up, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.